is like a couple settings on here. If you've got the 2016 Plus like Land Cruiser, there's a couple settings that you need to do. You'll probably find when you go into reverse, like nothing's happening. Or if it does happen, you see this blue like random screen. So there's a few settings. So we need to come into system. No, sorry, we don't. We need to come into all these apps here. Car information, vehicle settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, 360 reverse in year. Change that to, I can't change it on here because I'm not hooked to a CAN bus, but I'll push that, it'll change to 2016. That's the first step. I then go back home, system up here. I've got to push the back because I've already been in here, but factory setting, 7890. Sorry, 7890, get it right. Scroll down a bit. Aftermarket HD 360 camera. It'll be on like actually open. Change it to close. Push save and restart. Then the whole unit will sort of reboot. I then go into reverse. You'll be seeing your sort of factory cameras if all the wiring is correct. You can like push the little dash button camera too to flick through them. You might be seeing like an extra reverse line over top. To get rid of that, just come into system, setting guide, turn off this dynamic track line, and then go back into reverse. Because if you have actually this on, it'll be putting our actual line from the head unit over the top. So that should sort you out for the settings on a 2016 Plus Land Cruiser 200 series when you're putting a T Series in for any camera issues you're having.